Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Thursday 25th June 2020. Year 2 Maths. Today we're going to look at comparing durations of time. Right, pause the video and please make sure you have your workbook, a pencil and a clock. Please download the worksheets from class charts or email. Write the short date at the top of the page, 25.6.20. Write the LI to compare durations of time. Once you have finished your work, please send a photo of your work at year2@grange.harrow.sch.uk. Right. Let's look at the key vocabulary. Please repeat after me. Start time, end time, duration, time past, hours, minutes, o'clock, shortest, longer than, and longest. Pause the video and please make sure you have downloaded the worksheets from class charts or email. This is the first activity you're going to do either on your worksheet or in your workbook, and you're going to find out which is the longest duration. So that means that all the times which are here, which one is taking the longest time. So we've got 40 minutes here, 25 minutes here, a quarter of an hour, 3/4 of an hour, and half an hour. Right, the trick over here is to convert these times to minutes. So a quarter of an hour is 15 minutes, half an hour is 30 minutes, and 3/4 of an hour is 45 minutes. Now, looking at that, which one do you think is the longest duration? Please have a go at it. Right, let's have a look. That's right, 3/4 of an hour is the longest duration. Right, let's look at the next slide again. Please do this activity either in your workbook or on your worksheet. Now, which is the shortest duration? Please have a go at it. Right, the trick is to convert these times. So what do you think half an hour is? That's right, 30 minutes, and 3/4 of an hour? That's right, 45 minutes. Okay, now you can find out which one's the shortest duration. That's right, 25 minutes. You got that? Well done. But order the durations from shortest to longest. So from the least time to the most longest time on there. Remember, you can convert these half an hour into minutes and 3/4 of an hour into minutes as well. And then you need to put them from the shortest time to the longest time on there. Off you go. Right, let's have a look. So half an hour is 30 minutes, 3/4 of an hour is 45 minutes. So the shortest is going to be starting with 25 minutes, then 30 minutes, then 40 minutes, then 45 minutes, and then 55 minutes. Let's have a look. That's right. So there you can see. So it's 25 minutes, half an hour, 40 minutes, 3/4 of an hour, and 55 minutes. But if you got that, well done. Right, now what you need to do is order the durations from longest to shortest. So which takes the most time to which takes the shortest time on there. Remember, what you can do is convert these into minutes just so that you know which one's taking the longest time on there. Okay, let's have a look. 3/4 of an hour is 45 minutes and 1 hour is 60 minutes. Right, have a go at it now and see which one takes the longest time to the shortest time. Now let's have a look. So 1 hour would be the longest. Then it would be 45 minutes, which is 3/4 of an hour. So it would be 1 hour, 3/4 of an hour, 35 minutes, 15 minutes, and then 5 minutes. Let's have a look. Right, there you go. Okay, Now, use the table to complete the sentences. Now over here you've got the sport events, so you've got football, golf, swimming and rugby. You've got the start time, you've got the end time on there. Now the questions are which event had the longest duration, which event had the shortest duration, how much longer did football last than swimming, and how much shorter did rugby last than football. Now in order to do this, first thing what you need to do is find the duration times from the start to the end. So for example, football starts at 6:15, ends at 8:15. So that will be 1 hour 30 minutes. Now golf started at 2:30 and ended at 6:15. So that duration was 3 hours and 45 minutes. Right, please have a go at finding the duration for swimming and for rugby. Please have a go at it. Right, let's have a look. So the swimming starts at 4:10, ends at 5:25, so the duration is 25 minutes. So I've written MINS as for short for minutes. Right, rugby starts at 8:45 and ends at 5:10. So the duration was 1 hour and 10 minutes. If you got that, well done. Now, looking at these durations, you'll be able to say which event had the longest duration, which had the shortest duration, how much longer did football last than swimming, and how much shorter did rugby last than football. Please have a go at it. Right, let's have a look. So golf was the longest. The shortest event was swimming. Now, how much longer did football last than swimming? So you can find the difference. So it was 1 hour and 5 minutes. And how much shorter did rugby last than football? Again, finding the difference there, it was 20 minutes. Okay, now it says use the table to complete the sentences. Now before you can complete the sentences, you need to look at the start and end times for each of these TV shows, and what you need to do first is find the duration of each TV show. Please have a go at it. Right, let's have a look. So football show starts at 4 o'clock, ends at 5:20, so that would have been 40 minutes. Animal show starts at 8:30, ends at 5:50, so the duration is 25 minutes. And the drawing show starts at 6:15 and completes at 6:30, so the duration was 15 minutes. Now, looking at this, which is the shortest TV time? Animal show is longer than, looking at the duration time, you'll be able to tell. And how much longer is the football show than the drawing show? Please have a go at it. Right, let's have a look. So the shortest TV show is the drawing show. Animal show is longer than the drawing show. And how much longer is the football show than the drawing show? It says 25 minutes. How would you get that? What you need to do is 40 minutes take away 15 minutes and you get 25 minutes there. Right, I've got a reasoning question here, and it says, will all activities be completed in an hour? So you've got, how do you know? So recycling takes 5 minutes, washing up takes 15 minutes, tidying the bedroom takes 30 minutes, feeding the cat takes 5 minutes. So please have a go at it and see if you can complete all these activities within an hour. Right, let's have a look. So yes, as the total duration is 55 minutes. Rosie has an hour for her lunch break. Does Rosie have enough time to complete all of the playground activities? So these are all the playground activities that she's going to be doing during her lunch break. So do you think that she has enough time to complete all these activities? Please have a go at it. Right. How do you know? So when you total all the duration times here, it comes to 58 minutes. So Rosie does have time to complete all of the activities. Completing all of the activities would take 58 minutes, and 58 minutes is less time than 1 hour. Okay, so we've got Rosie and Malachi here now. Rosie works from 10:30 until 3 o'clock, and Malachi works from 9 o'clock until 12:30. Who works the longest amount of time? So what you need to do is find out the durations of how long Rosie works and Malachi works, and then you'll be able to figure out who works the longest amount of time. Please have a go at it. Let's have a look. So Rosie works the longest amount of time. Right, this is the last activity that you're going to be doing either in your workbooks or on your worksheets. What you need to do is complete the table below with your own events. So you need to write your events here. You need to write the start time and the end time, and think of your own questions. Either for your mom or dad or your brother or sister. If you have a question for me that I could answer, please have a go at it. Once you have finished your work, please send a photo of your work at year2@grange.harrow.sch.uk. See you tomorrow. Bye.